Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go?
You're out here tonight. You guys are freaks!
Yeah, I want a cord keeper from Morai.
Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tina.
And I'm David.
And on this video, we're going to take you along as we attend the 2026 United Rally.
This is our second Switch It Up United Rally that we've been to. Both of them have been an absolute blast. We've really enjoyed it. Catching up with old friends, making new friends, taking part in some community services, and attending like all the seminars, and just all the events at the rally have been just super fun.
If you've ever wondered what it would be like to attend a rally, we hope this video will give you a good look of what we experienced, and hopefully it will inspire you to attend your very first one. So let's get this video started.
All right, let's go.
We're very blessed to be here together, and that's what the RV space is all about, is building community, hanging out together, and making memories. And I am bringing this up because what's really amazing about the United Rally, this United Rally is not put on by manufacturers. It's put on by RVers for RVers.
Good morning.
Tina, tell everybody what we're doing.
So we're here at the Switch It Up event, and we're participating in the Convoy of Hope, where, if you can see, we're all bagging food, and all of the food is going to go to local food banks here in Florida. So we're very excited to be a part of this.
Yeah, we are, and it has been a lot of work. There's a lot of people, of course, what's the old saying? Many hands make light work.
That's correct.
So we got to stop this and get back to it.
All right.
All right, bye guys.
Now.
So my job has been breaking down boxes and stacking them over here. And there's some trucks coming by to pick all the cardboard up, so nothing's going to waste. Well, I think we finished. We ran out of bags before food.
So you guys work hard. You might need a second challenge today. You guys are awesome and amazing. It was amazing. All of you just showing up, jumping in, helping, breaking stuff down, moving things around, packing bags. You were awesome.
Here's the suspicious part about it. So I was sitting in the front row and we were drawing little tickets and you had your name written on it. And so I closed my eyes like this and then I drew my own name. Chris, I'm like, hey guys, I had nothing to do with this. Another one was like, I saw it and he closed his eyes, and they were all giving me some grief. But
What'd you win?
from Morai, it's a cord keeper. And this is for like just power cords and such. But I believe, and I'll have to look at this again, I believe that you don't have to unreel the whole thing to be able to use it. So this is gonna come in handy, because I can tell you right now, our power cords are just wound up, stuck in a box. So this is gonna come in handy. I love several of the Morai products that they were talking about today, and I would like to actually get some. I'll have to check with the budgeting department. But anyway, more to come on that. So yeah, I want a cord keeper from Morai. Okay, who are you guys?
Tina and Tim.
Okay, what's your costume? What's your stage name?
We don't have one. The colleges.
Playing Singo, she didn't get the right songs, so now she has to sing the song. Okay, apparently there is a discussion going on what to do now. Sing or not sing? Singo. One was incorrect. So she won a open roads card? Thanks. Open roads card. Okay, so we have a possible winner in the coverall. So let's see if they won. Okay. Yeah, okay, so what's your name?
This is Cole.
Cole? Poe?
Like Edgar Allan. And that's Finn.
Finn, as if like Finn on...
Go. Finn's good. Finn knows how to greet other dogs.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. It's just terrible. It's just terrible.
I expect it to go slight. We've been working with them all week long.
Oh no, let me tell you. This is what happens at our house when a leaf blows by. They attack the leaf.
See, now he's getting...
They are.
That looks like Denver.
It does.
So what's yours?
Okay, so the blonde is Denver,
Denver.
and the black and tan is Annie.
In 800 feet at the traffic circle, take the first exit onto President Donald J. Trump Boulevard, Southern Boulevard.
Tina and I decided to spend mid-morning down here in Mar-a-Lago. One of the best places in the country, if you know what I mean. Anyway, the ocean is absolutely beautiful here. Actually, the little town here looks very, very nice. But we're going to take a hike down to the beach, I think, and we're also going to check out a little
The famous clock.
a clock. And so I brought my trusty camera, and we're going to take some photos. So we're down here at West Palm Beach now, at Palm Beach, and checking out the water. The tide's coming in. But this is our first time here. I've never been this far south in Florida, and absolutely beautiful turquoise blue waters. So this is the place to stay for sure. Oh, here comes Tina.
Feels so good. The
Yeah.
water is just warm and it's beautiful, and I could stay here all day. Unfortunately, we can't.
No, it's our last full day here. We bug out tomorrow.
Yeah.
Heading up north to St. Augustine. So make sure you tune in for that episode.
Yeah.
But for now, we're just going to enjoy the beauty of the beach.
Hi everyone. We're here at Palm Beach, and look how beautiful it is. The water is absolutely gorgeous. And look at those palm trees up there. David, what do you think about it?
Well, I'm sinking into the sand, but it's great. I saw the sign up there, says the water 75 degrees. Here it is, middle February,
Yes.
and we're hanging out in shorts at the beach in Palm Beach, Florida.
Look how pretty. And look at all the seashells.
So the Manatee Lagoon is free. You can bring your children down here and walk around. You can see the barracuda, manatees, and take a tour through the facility. Got a lot of information in there. Now, one of the things I was reading in there, Tina, is that they drink fresh water.
Oh, wow.
So I guess They just find a water fountain or something. I don't know where they get fresh water. Up on the observation deck. And from here, you can definitely get a better view along with the barracudas. Now, the barracudas are fun. I've never actually seen one until now.
You guys are nothing but freaks. You know that? You all didn't realize that. You're out here tonight. You guys are freaks! Freaks come out at night! 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 Stop playing roll, time to rock and roll.
It's a party in the USA. Yeah, it's a party in the USA.
Tell me what you got, honey.
I'm shaking the fucking bar.
Just pour it, and then there's gotta put a cherry and another shot of something else.
That's a good big drum.
I think